Hi guys, this is Joanna. So today I'm going to give you a brief walkthrough for factjunkies.com. So let's go ahead and start. So usually when we create websites, we make a project detail under Basecamp. So you can see it here. So we use abbreviations for us to make it easier to identify. So since we're specifically talking about factjunkies.com, we call it FJS. And when you click it, this is what you'll see. So you will see here our to-dos, the checklist that we need to complete for us to launch the website, the message board, also the activities that was processed through this website as well. And then the next one is the FJS Flippa listing updates. So this is where we put the updates or latest information for our Flippa listing, specifically for Fact Junkies. And then the next one that we have is our KPI. So this is the main objective of or what we follow for the website. Like here's the goals that we have and the target specifics for each goal. And the next one is actually our website. So this is our homepage. So you can see here when you scroll down different articles that you would want to open up and check. And you can see also advertisements on the side. So if you click one, I'll give you a walkthrough of one example. So like for example, this. So you will see here advertisements, also here, and here, and the sticky ads on the side. And then if you've noticed, after the fourth topic, you can see also another advertisement, and also before the other options, you can see also. You can even leave a reply, follow us on Twitter, Facebook. So that's the overview of our website. Let's go ahead and move on to our revenue report. So let's start with Google Analytics. So make sure you are under Fact Junkies, and all you need to do is go to audience, geo, and then location. And this is what you will see. So this is the where the traffic comes from. So you can see here United States, Canada, Libya. So this is where our traffic comes from. And you can see here the top 10 countries where this traffic comes from, the sessions, the new users, bounce rate, page per session, average duration, goal conversion rate, completions, and value. So make sure though you're under October 17, 2017 until today, because that's when Fact Junkie started. So we need to have the correct time frame for us to see the correct details as well. And then when you actually click on overview, you can see here the summary of what I just showed you. So you can see here the sessions, users, page views, pages per session, average session duration, bounce rate, percent of the new sessions. You can even see the returning visitors and the new visitors that we have for the website. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to Google AdSense. So then again, make sure you're under Fact Junkies, and the date is October 17, 2017 up till today. And under Performance Report, you click on New Report, and then you can see here the estimated earnings, the page views, the impressions, the clicks, the page RPM, impression RPM, and the active view viewable. And also you can see here the statistics. So you may notice that sometimes it progresses and then regresses. It's because we have 1 to 15 slots available. So sometimes we may be the priority and sometimes we may not be. And we always make sure that we prioritize those with higher RPM. So don't worry about it though, because every day it changes. So it's not constant repetitiveness. And then when you scroll down, you can see the dates. And then you can see here the more detailed information per date. So you can see the page views per day, the impressions, clicks, page RPM, impression RPM, active view viewable, and the estimated earnings. And when you scroll down, you can see the total and also the average as well. And let's go ahead and move on to monetize more. So for this one, you need to make sure you're under network partner report and the date when we started with monetize more until today. And this is for Fact Junkies. And then you can see here the statistics as well for this website. And then below, when you scroll down, you can see here the gross earnings specifically for this website. So for Fact Junkies, it's 2073.51 for that time frame. You also have the option to download the CSV if you prefer. And let's go ahead and move to Taboola. So for this one, make sure you're on December 22, 2017 until today, because this is the date when we started with them. And then you're under revenue summary. And then when you scroll down, you can see here the ad revenue. And even if you choose other options, you can see it also in the statistics if you prefer. But since we're talking about revenue reports, let's just leave it under ad revenue. So these are the dates, the page views per date, the view with ads, the CTR, ad clicks, ad CPC, ad RPM, and ad revenue. So that's actually per day. And when you scroll down, you can see also the total for the ad revenue. And now let's go ahead and move on to Times Square Media. So again, make sure you're under Fact Junkies. And this is when we started with Times Square Media for Fact Junkies. So it's December 8th. So you can see here the estimated earnings for this month, last month, and then the all-time, and also the statistics as well for each day. So you can see here the users, RPM, traffic cost, and also the earnings. And the last one that we have is actually our profit and loss statement. So if you can see here, you can see the income or sales for each. So we have AdSense, MediaNet, AdBlade, Taboola, Times Square Media. So since we started October 2017, you can see it here until March. And you can even see the gross revenue for each month. And then below, you can see here the expenses as well. So don't worry, I will give you another video specifically discussing about the expenses itself. You can see here the total. And then when you deduct, you can see here your net profit for this website. So if you have any more questions, feel free to email us at joanna@buildswebsites.com, or you can comment down below if you prefer for more information. Once again, this is Joanna. You have a great day.